Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. So today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can see contacts on Yubo. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Yubo app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, now you need to go to this icon which is just below everything, which is just to the right of this power button, let's say activity button. So this over here. Now over here you'll be able to see all the contacts that you have. So you can see your friends, or you can also discover new contacts from here as well. So you can see there are a lot of contacts. Otherwise you can go to discover and then explore tags. You can see everything as per the requirements as well. So that's how you're gonna do it, guys. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.